I got a quick, easy, affordable, tasty one-pan dinner meal for you. So if you don't like instant rice or frozen broccoli, this is not the meal for you, and I'm not talking to you. But for those of you who like it, here's the ingredients. So you're going to start by just browning your chicken on both sides. Now, the original recipe speaks nothing of seasoning chicken, and we all know who eating unseasoned chicken? Not I. You can use chicken breast or chicken tenderloins like I did. I prefer the tenderloins because when you serve it, it's just easier to actually eat and enjoy. So you just want to brown it on both sides before setting it aside. So now you have an empty pan. You're going to pour in that cream of chicken with 1.5 to 2 cups of water. That depends on how tender you want your rice to be, because I use 2 cups, but the original recipe calls for 1.5. When this mixture begins to boil, then you're going to add in your rice and your broccoli. We are literally almost at the end. Then you're going to cover this meal, I'm going to say 5 to 10 minutes until the rice is tender. And this is what you are left with, a wholesome, easy, quick, very tasty meal. Now, I do want to add that before I actually put the top on it, I did season that chicken just a little bit more with some more paprika and pepper. The flavor of this meal really stands out with the paprika and pepper. But now you have an easy, quick, affordable one-pan meal to feed your family. Enjoy. And I know somebody going to ask me about my handles. I took them off to clean them. God, y'all nosy. Yes, I do have them. They were taken off to clean the stove. Thank you. Bye-bye.